project begins with a vision. We make it a reality. Welcome to Exakta.
EACOP stands for East African Crude Oil Pipeline and is a project that is located in Uganda and Tanzania. Its scope is to transport crude oil directly from Lake Albert, where two upstream facilities, Tilenga and Kingfisher, directly to the port in Tanzania in a city named Tanga. At full capacity, the pipeline will transport 246 barrels per day of crude oil directly from the upstreams to the jetty port in Tanga. The full ITER for the qualification with the customer started in March 2022 when we received our first RFQ for API 674 pumps, just a budgetary offer that we submitted. And soon after that, we received the second RFQ, or request for quotation, for API 675 pumps. That was directly related to the project of EACOP. Soon after the pre-qualification, we received the firm offer for EACOP Project, and for combination of high pressure and flow rate, we decided to propose our Nexa N6 pump. The first submission of the offer was in December 2022. All the technical alignment lasted until March 2023. We satisfied the request to handle large diameter particulate inside of crude oil, and in particular we selected our VIP valve, which is engineered to prevent abrasion with the passage of large diameter particulate, and many other technical alignments which brought us to being awarded with a purchase order for 10 N6 pumps. The 10 N6 will be placed throughout the whole length of the pipeline, right close to the pumping stations and to the closed drain wells, and they have the scope to re-inject the crude oil leakages from the pipeline directly into the main pipeline.
The challenge is the project is in a massive scale. Our team is well equipped to handle all the engineering, the production, procurement and the construction. Challenging part in bigger projects is that we have a lot of things that we need to go through. So every small detail needs to be right. Secondly, we need to be aware that the client has certain requirements. We need to give correct cause and effect. So why we are doing something, why we are not doing something, very important in such projects. Another point to add, we are well equipped to handle bigger projects at Exakta. The project managers are diverse. As you can imagine, we have project managers from many countries who are well equipped to deal with bigger projects, help the clients and deliver the project on time, within the budget.
EACOP specific requirements about flow rate and pressure were fitting precisely N6 features, making it the natural choice for this project. N6 is a part of the Exakta Nexa range that consists in reciprocating pumps in which precise volumetric control is achieved through the variation of the stroke length. This ensures the flow rate linearity over adjustment and repeatability. All pumps in the Nexa range fully meet API 675 standard. Moreover, on this specific project, the fluid to be handled is crude oil. This requirement has been met selecting our VIP valves that have been designed to handle suspended particles. These are reverse cone valve, ensuring the self-cleaning of the valve itself, and they incorporate a polymer lining internally. In addition to the pump itself, a complete system has been supplied to the client. Instrumentation is being assembled on the base frame together with pulsation damper on suction and discharge, and with electrical system, which connects motor, actuator and pressure transmitters. The customer complete system has been evaluated. It has been modeled in order to perform the pulsation analysis, namely approach 1 and approach 2. In particular, the acoustical simulation of the complete lines, both suction and discharge, together with all pipings and supports, lead to the pulsation dampener validation.
This is what we do. This is who we are.